Just got laid off? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Whether you saw it coming or not, here's exactly what to do next to stay afloat. Protect your future and bounce back stronger.
Welcome to Laid Off to Paid Off, the channel helping professionals recover, rebuild, and restart after job loss. If you've been laid off recently or want to be prepared just in case, this video is your game plan. Let's get into it.
Step 1. Get documentation. First, ask your HR department for a layoff letter. This letter confirms that your job loss was not performance related, but due to restructuring, budget cuts, or company downsizing. Bonus: if possible, request a short recommendation from your manager. These documents help reduce the stigma and increase your credibility when applying for new roles. Next, find out if your company offers a severance package. While not guaranteed, many companies provide a payout, sometimes 2 to 4 weeks per year you worked. Don't assume, ask politely. A short email or HR conversation could mean thousands of dollars in transition income. Step 3. Apply for unemployment. Register for unemployment benefits immediately. Processing may take time, and each state or country has its own rules. In the US, search your state plus unemployment benefits to apply online. No need to wait in line. Step 4. Pause before job hunting. It's tempting to start job hunting right away, but don't rush. Take a few days to reset emotionally. A layoff can feel personal, but it's not the end of your career. Breathe, recharge, and approach your next steps with clarity, not panic. Step 5. Update LinkedIn the right way. When you're ready, update your LinkedIn profile. Click Open to Work, finding a new job. Choose either all LinkedIn members or recruiters only, depending on your situation. This simple step makes recruiters come to you. Seriously, you are not your job. You are more than your last paycheck or position. Having a plan puts you ahead of most. If you've recently been laid off, drop a heart in the comments. We're rooting for you. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your next opportunity could be closer than you think.